Hey guys, let's do a rundown of the moving average scripts. So we can go here and we can add, I'll post links to this in the description. So when you add it, you see 4 lines, and if we click the settings cog, we can see we can change the line weights of those, making them thicker or thinner. We can also choose the source, so you can choose open, high, low, close, whatever you like, and the type. So here we've got double exponential, RMA, SMA, VWMA, WMA. So yeah, you can toggle them on and off. And then you can also offset it by a certain amount of candles. So negative will be to the left and positive to the right. Then here we can set the values for the 4 lines. So this is set to 20, 50, 100, and 200. And if we want, we can plot an envelope around the first line. So here this is a percentage, and if we do 5, then it will plot some dotted lines, as you can see there, around that line. So yeah, you can change the line weight of that as well, if you like. Let's take that back to 0. Here a few more options. You can plot the SWMA, the ALMA, and the particular settings for each of those. So let's turn that all off, and then you can see plot colored MA ribbon. So I'm going to actually do this with the separate script, which has pretty much the same settings. So here again we see the line weight, the source. Now here we've got a look back window, so that means that the smallest moving average would be 10 bars, and we want to increase it by 5, and we want to plot however many you want. So we want to plot 10 of them. So that means that the smallest one will be 10, and it'll go up by 5, 10 times to get to the highest one. Okay, and you can select the type of moving average, and then you can select to either not shade the area, or shade the area, or shade the area with no lines. Let's actually hide this so you can see it nicely. And we can go back to the settings. So now the type of line color. So you can either color the line by its position relative to the, let's actually put that on a price line. So its position relative to the close. So you see when it's below it's red, when it's above it's green. Or you can plot by the slope of the line. So if it's trending downwards it's red, if it's going up it's green, and if it hasn't changed it's orange. And to calculate that you obviously need to look back a certain amount of time, and here we can change that. So currently it's just 2 candles, but you can change it to whatever you like. And then yeah, instead of using the step count, you can select this and you can manually type in whichever values you like for each of them. For this you can also plot an envelope around it. So here you'd put in the percentage, and this is now plotting 3% away from the top and away from the bottom, and it's also colored by whatever you've selected over there. In the style tab you can go change whatever you like, find the colors you like, and then you can just save as your defaults. What else? So we can also add this to other scripts. So you just click apply indicator to this. Once it's compiled, the settings will pop up, can select again whatever your favorites are. And then there we see that it's been applied to the RSI in this case. So let's just turn these off. You can put the line up there if you like, and there we can see the moving average of the RSI. Cool. That's it.